Hi, this is Classic Techart. Welcome to another video. As you can see to my computer screen, this is a t-shirt logo design. So this is a fantastic design and very simple design. Easily you can do like that and very little time, just need a little time. So let's start. So as you can see, let me say that first a little bit small. And I needed to keep it. Let's see. Yes, a little bit more here. I'm keeping here. So I needed vegetable which tool. I needed just ellipse tool. Here you see, as you can see, rectangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, ellipse tool, polygon tool, star tool, and flare tool. Many tools here, but I needed the ellipse tool. Then I needed this time here for the sound. Where the sound there? You see this center. So I'm gonna do it just to center. Or if you're confused about it, it is center. And then you go to the here and keep this to center. Yes, this is the center. So I need to change the color. I prefer the black color. So right now I need it like that. Which one is good? Better? Yes. Line segment tool. First of all, I needed the alignment tool, line segment tool. So select this one and start from here. Yes, by pressing Shift key, as you can see. Yes, this is the matter. I need the stroke color, white color, with 12 or more better. I need a little bit bigger, like that. I just to push the back side. I need it just to copy all the things that person alter like that. That'll be yes. Now just press the control, press control and the D. You see? Now there's the magic. And I need it now just to select all these things and go to the object and expand all the things. Expand because this you cannot do anything otherwise. So right now I needed to select all the things and go to the field builder tool and cut all the things and clear unnecessary things. That's fine. You see, it's a fantastic way. And let go back to the trip builder tool and a little bit right there, bigger, and by pressing Alt key, cut all the things unnecessary. Yes, unnecessary things by pressing over and clear. Exactly what I wanted. So again, I need to go to the word. I need a little bit. Okay. Yes, I need it now. Just to select all the things and go to the here, make component font, and again release component font. Now you see, I need because the color combination. So that's why I need to separate all the things part by part. So that's why it's needed. So I need to now change the color. We're going to the color. Go to the here. You see? With the color. You see? The color. As you can see the color. So again, I need to go to here, change the color, which one I need just to see. Now I can this one. I need this color maybe here. This one, yes, and that one, same the color, same the color. You go here, red color, and go to the here, solid color, and go to the here, yes, the color. And the last one, I think a little bit this one like that. Oh, that one. Okay, this color is a combination. So I need a little bit angle. It's looking nice. Yes, like that. And see color how it's done. So right here, I needed just to select all the things and group all the things. And sorry, this is the problem. Something is wrong. I think these are all around. Other stuff. Now is okay. So by pressing Control and G is group. And right now I need a which one? I need the sum go to the group is I collected from the Google. As you can see, the Google is the main things nowadays. Google is the soul of knowledge or collection. Many things you can collect from the Google. Google is a master of many things, many things. So I needed them just to put here, here, yeah. Why cannot I see only main codes? You just go to the arrange, sorry, arrange and come to the brain. As you see, it's coming here, a little bit bigger. Uh, all the thing, yes, and go to here, and I change this one bigger. Yes, I also need to arrange into the here. You see, like that. Just select all the things, and now go to here. So build it to count all the things. You see how this fantastic design. So I need now just to little bit. First of all, I needed to group all the things and put it to the this treasure. How you see from how I doing this one exactly what I wanted. You see, it's looking nice and fantastic. You see, I needed to set this one a little side. You see, oh my God, how is fantastic. Same to same. I need now delete one. And another thing is that you see how is very good and how is beautiful a design created. Yes, you see, everyone astonished or everyone enjoy this one. So thanks for watching.